Okay, guys, I know it has been a stupid amount of time since the last time I posted, but it's back. I got the car back. I actually sent it to just down in Denver to have the wiring gone through. As you know, as you knew, or at least if you've been watching, I had ordered a Chase base harness, and it is in this pile of wires. So I didn't end up using it. This is the Sickie dipstick. I didn't end up using that either because it wouldn't actually hold like the crankcase pressure. So I had to get a low car locking dipstick. This is the new breaker box. So you just turn the battery on, close the trunk. Let's turn on this. This is the new dipstick. It's kind of just hooked on to that line right there, and it's locked down so it doesn't come flying out. There's no more oil leaking all over the place. You can see that the wiring harness goes back here. It's all got the heat shielding on it. So the whole engine is now wired. I have headlights, I have brake lights, I have turn signals, I have windshield wipers, I have a speedometer, I have all the gauges that I can possibly need. Thank you to this IQ3 Dash, which is something that I kind of have always, when I started the car, that was like, okay, I'm gonna have an IQ3, I'm gonna have the Rocket Bunny wide body kit, and I hadn't 100% settled on the Cosmos XT206s, but I was pretty sure that that's where I was going. So to turn the ignition on, you just press the on button, the race pack lights up, you can hear the fuel pump kick on, all the relays are kicking on, everything's good to go. Neutral, this is the starter button. It's extremely cold. So, little exhaust sound. I did get it tuned. I think he said the numbers came back a lot lower than what I was really expecting them to come back. We'll let it run for a second. So the plan, I think, is going to be to take the rear bumper off as the weather kind of continues to get a little bit nicer. You can see there's still kind of snow on the ground, but it is a nice day today. I think it's like 50. I got short sleeves on, so it's not that bad. Big shout out to M-Spec, who did all the wiring. Casey Cole down there runs that shop in I guess it's Aurora, and it's they got a lot of cool race car things in there, and they did a lot of cool race car type things to this. So get the wheel wells cleaned out so I can get it as low as what I want it to be, and then put the hood in the brain part. Put the hood and the rear diffuser back on, and then just kind of drive it, man. Just have fun with it. Just let it be a street car, let it do its thing, and let it kill tires. Have fun. Like I said, thanks for sticking around.